Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can reset the tyre pressure monitor system on your Citroen C3. This is a 2021 model. So first of all, you do need to find out what your tyres are. So if you have a look closely, it will tell you 205, 55, R16. Obviously yours may well be different than this, and then you need to go to the actual sticker that tells you what they should be. And if you have a look, 205, 55, R16. If it's unladen, it's 2.3 bar at the front, 2.2 bar at the rear. And if it's laden, it's 2.8 bar at the front, 2.7 bar at the rear. So you need to go around and make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the proper pressure. And when they are pumped up to that pressure, we're going to reset the system inside. So we've got the ignition on now, and we're just waiting for this here to boot up. And we're going to go, so you might be on a different screen here. Let's say if you're on this the temperature screen here, you're going to go to the car icon, and underneath driver function, can you see we have under inflation initialization? And if we press I for that, it tells you initialize the tyre under inflation detection system to be done every time the tyre pressures are adjusted. So we have adjusted ours correctly, so we're going to go back now, and we're going to just tap this here. And it says, make sure you have adjusted the pressure of 4 tyres. Reset, yes or no. We want to reset. And there you go. It's made a bong at us, and it says tyre pressures registered. So hopefully now the car will correctly detect if one of the tyre pressures are under inflated. Hope this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching.